Hello guys, how have you been today? So we are still going on with our exam preparation for AutoCAD ACP exam. My name is Edie, and today we want to look at another aspect, another objective in our exam objectives, and in this case we want to look at arrays, create and use arrays. So if you've been following this series, you notice that we've been working with this drawing on for the past 3 topics, but it's not that way in reality, because when you're doing your exam you'll be asked to open another drawing, work on it on a particular question. Let's say question 1 is using another drawing, question 2 is using a different drawing, so you want to be working on this drawing from question 1 to, let's say, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. Yeah, so in this case we are just doing these examples, and we want to do the copy array. So in this case, with my drawing open, I'll be asked to go to a particular view. So I'll go to the view tab, select the training area. In this case, the question was copy this particular chair or make an array of it of 2 rows and 2 columns. That will be, and the distance between them will be 2 units. So in that case, we know that if we need to save time, we need to use the command line. So in that case, we'll go ahead and type in array, and we'll select rectangular array, and we'll select our object and right click or press enter, and we will adjust the settings. Now we'll have 2 objects along the columns. Click on the outside, and also right here we'll have 2 objects along the row. Then we'll have the distance between the columns at 2, and also the distance between the rows at 2. Then we are asked to make our array not associative. So that means that our array, if you select this particular object, the whole group is not selected. So we will make it unassociative. Then we will go ahead and close our array settings. Then in this case, we'll type in polar array. We'll type in array, AR, and we'll select polar array. We'll select our object and press enter or right click. Then we'll specify the center point of the array. So we'll pick center snap option, and we will set our items to 6 and the polar angle between them at 60. So we have that already set, and they are non-associative. So in that case, we will close our array. Then the question will be measure the distance. We'll type in di from we'll enable our insertion option and disable the other snap options. From our insertion point of this particular chair, it will be labeled chair number 1, to the insertion point of this chair. In this case, this one was the chair labeled 2, and we'll press F2, and in that case we have our distance at 7.26. so I'll go ahead and press Ctrl C to copy that, open my exam software, and paste that value in. So that's how you go about that particular question.